On this recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious Ayamase stew. I use green bell pepper to make this stew. If you are tired of your regular stew, I think this video is for you. So I'm starting out with neatly washed meat, and then I go in with my spices, and then I added onions, give it a little bit of stir, and then I'm going to cover it for it to steam for about 20 to 25 minutes. While I allow the meat to steam, next I'm going to be washing my green bell pepper. So guys, let me tell you a story behind this stew. I visited a friend and she served me a Ayamase stew. I was like, how did you make this stew? She told me it was made with red bell pepper, and then she shared a video with me from YouTube. After watching the video, I went to the market straight away. I said to myself, I have to make this stew for my family because I am tired of our regular tomato stew, banga stew, and all that. I was ready to try a new thing. So I went to the market to buy some green pepper, and here is me trying to make ayamase stew. So as you can see, I am separating the seed from the green pepper itself because the seed is not needed on this. While I'm separating the seed, I use my hand to divide it into smaller parts, just the way I'll be able to blend it with my blender. So you can use blender for this, you can use grinder. Whichever one you have is still going to come out nice. So guys, once I'm done doing this method, I'm just going to clear the sink, and then next I'm going to be checking the meat I was cooking. Give it a stir and then add water on it. Allow the meat to cook until it becomes very soft. While I cover the meat to cook, next I'm going to be adding the green pepper into my blender, and then I'm going to add a little quantity of water and I'll blend it a little bit. If you have food processor, it is best you use food processor to grind this because you are not going to waste your time separating the chaff and the water. So if you are making use of your blender, do not blend it until it becomes smooth. Just blend it a little bit, and then I transfer it into my filter to filter the water and the chaff because we are going to be making use of the chaff, not the water.
Into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof rice to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells a story near and far. In Ogioma's kitchen where you're the star.
There's laughter in the seasoning, a dance in every dish. From pepper soup so spicy to your grandmama's wish. Her secret blend of spices brings warmth to the room. In Ogioma's kitchen, comfort chases gloom.
This process was taking too long for me, so I decided to use my sieve to squeeze the water fast from it. I forgot I have this at home, so I'm going to transfer it into the sieve net, and then I'll use my hands to press the water out of it.
Oh, Ogioma's kitchen, a flavorful embrace. Where stories blend with spices, memories find their place. Each dish a celebration from the heart and soul. In Ogioma's kitchen, we all find.
So once I'm done doing it, this is how it's going to look. So this is the texture we are going to be using to make the stew. So I went back to the meat. At this point, the meat is properly cooked the way I want it to be. Next, I'm going to transfer it into my air fryer and then dry the meat. Like you know, your girl loves to eat dry meat.
Find our role. Hear the sizzle on the stove top, a symphony in pans while the garlic mingles softly with the bold.
While I put the meat in the air fryer, next I went in with my red oil. So on this very recipe, we are going to be making use of red oil, not groundnut oil or coconut oil. You are going to be making use of your palm oil. Then next, I'm going to cover the pot and allow the oil to bleach. So the lady said I have to bleach the oil a little bit. And then I went in with my onions and then I added the green pepper on it. One thing I noticed about this ayamase stew is that it consumes a lot of oil. While I was mixing it up together, I couldn't find the oil I put on the pot. Like I was like, I'm not going to add another oil. Oh. Oil is very expensive. Oh. So I mix it up. I said, let me cover it and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. And then I went back to check the meat, and at this point it was ready. But I noticed the meat was too small. So I decided to slice the meat into smaller sizes. For this Tinubu regime, things dey very expensive. So you need to manage with the ones you have. So I sliced the meat into smaller sizes and then I keep it aside.
Every bite a journey to lands both old and new. In Ioma's kitchen dreams come.
After 10 minutes, I went back to the pot. I can now notice oil floating on top of it. So I gave it a stir and then allow it to steam more. Like the lady said, I need to fry the green pepper the same way I fry my tomato stew. So this is what I continue doing, stirring it and cover it, allow it to steam until I notice that the water has dried up. Next, I went in with my pepper, my spices, my crayfish, and then I'm just going to give it a stir. So once I'm done mixing it up, I'm going to be adding the water I use in steaming the meat. On this recipe, we don't need too much water on it. So the water you use in steaming the meat is enough, unless the water is too small, then you can add more water on it. Just the way you make your stew. I cover it to steam for another 10 minutes and then that is it. I gave it a stir. At this point, my Ayamase stew is coming together. Next, I added the meat and then I stir it, cover it again to steam for another 10 minutes. At this point, you can add egg on it. The lady added boiled egg, but I'm not a fan of boiled egg, so I didn't add boiled egg on my own. I'm going to cover it, allow it to steam for another 10 minutes, guys. This is how it looks. It really came out nice. Honestly, this is one of the best stew I have tasted this year. When I ate it in that lady's house, the same day I made the stew. My Ayamashe stew is ready. Now it is time for me to taste it, guys. Take a look at this. This is one of the best stew I have tasted this year, 2025. It really tastes amazing. Is this something I'm going to be trying again? Yes. Thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one.
True. From dawn's early light to the evening's hush.